I just found a brand new AI agent that can do work for you while you sleep. You simply tell it what you want to get done, when you want it done, and boom, it's going to go ahead and automate it for you. For example, you could get this to go off and find leads for your business. You could have it apply to jobs for you, or you could pretty much have it automate anything that you can do on a computer. By the end of this video, you're going to know exactly what this tool is, exactly how it works, and 5 insane automations that you could set up today so you can start to have work done for you while you sleep. Okay, now the tool that I'm talking about is going to be DeepAgent by Abacus AI, because this just got a brand new update that makes it way more powerful. Essentially what this is now able to do is it's able to access Sonnet 4.5 from Claude, it's able to access GPT-5 and even Gemini, and combine those 3 models with computer use, and this is one of the only AI agents that can do this, and then you can pair it with setting up tasks, aka automating certain things. For example, if we were to come over to DeepAgent right here, we can actually request this to do something. For example, can you find the JSON file in my Google Drive that is named TikTok Trends for Today, or some broader search term that'll find that, and it should be in the Appify Uploads folder. Then I want you to give me the link for all the videos with a play count over 25,000. In addition, please include the link and the play count and the duration. So what this is now going to go off and do is this is going to ask us a few questions, and then this is going to spin up basically its own AI computer in order to actually get this done. The same exact way that a human would go in, access a drive, search for this, and then actually comb through it, this AI can do this for us. It just wants us to answer a few questions here. So when you say, give me the link, do you mean videos with? And I'm going to say over 25,000, and then I'm going to say table. Now, what this is going to do is this actually spins up this computer agent right here that now goes through, accesses my Google Drive, and then actually performs this complex analysis for us. And this isn't even the craziest part about this. What's even crazier is that then, once this is actually done, we can ask this to automate this at a specific time every single day. Okay, and we can actually watch this do this. So we could see right here that it's executing on the Google Drive tool. We could see here that it's getting the output from that. It's executing on it again, getting the output, and then this actually goes through and does the calculation for us. Now, in the past, somebody would have had to actually go through and do this. Now, if we come over to my Google Drive and I actually show you what this looks like, you're going to see that this is pretty complex, that this is actually able to do this. If we come over here, come into Appify Uploads, we can see that we have a scrape for today. In fact, if we do a search for it, we can actually find it right here. So TikTok Trends for Sunday, October 5th. Now, once we go through this, you can see that there is a lot of information in here. This probably looks incredibly confusing. Now, I want you to think about how long it would take a human to actually go through by hand and run this calculation. Well, guess what? You don't have to do that anymore because we have DeepAgent actually going through and doing this. And we could see that this went through a bunch of different videos and it found the one video that actually fit my criteria. And we could see that it's this video right here, which we can then click on and see exactly what is trending in my niche on TikTok. And again, the most powerful part about this is that if we scroll down, we can now ask this to go ahead and automate this, or we could come over into tasks right here. We could click on new task, DeepAgent task, and we can just reset this right here. And then at the end, it will say, when do you want this done? And that was just the first thing that we could get this to do. Another example of what we could do with this is we could come over to this and say, go to LinkedIn and find all the CEOs of SV tech companies and send a connection request. And what this is actually going to do, it's going to ask us a few questions, we can answer them, and then we could see that this actually goes off and performs all the searches for them, then logs into our LinkedIn right here, and then it will actually go through and it will request to follow all of these people. You could get it to message all these people and look at how much work this is actually able to do. This just went through over 30 different CEO profiles and we actually get a connection campaign result here. So we could see how many are processed, we could see how many are already connected, we could see how many issues it had, and then we can actually get this to reach out to these people afterwards. And I want you to think about how powerful this is, because the true power lies when you have this go through and request request to follow a bunch of people on LinkedIn that hit a specific criteria, and then you can begin to nurture them, because you can have this go through and message them, and you can even have it send personalized messages based on how you actually want to connect with these people. So let's say that you run an agency and you're trying to connect with people of certain companies. This can actually go off and do it without you lifting a finger, besides telling it what to do, scheduling it out as a task, and then it happens every time that you want it to. Now, before I get into a few of the other crazy use cases that you could use this for, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with DeepAgent today for only $10 a month. And the best part about this is not only is it going to allow you to schedule out and automate your work, it also allows you to build short form content, build out presentations, do complex data analysis, or pretty much anything that you can think of that AI can do, because this is an all-in-one AI tool. In addition to that, you get access to Chat LLM, which lets you access every single LLM. This means that you can access Gemini, Claude, ChatGPT, and every other LLM that you could think of, all from one subscription. So what are you waiting for? Go to the pinned comment below and get started with DeepAgent today. It's an absolute no-brainer. Or let's say maybe that you don't have a business, but instead you just graduated college, you just got laid off for your job, or you're just constantly on the hunt for new jobs. You could have this go through, log into your LinkedIn account, and go through the job section of your LinkedIn profile and make a list of 10 jobs that were posted in the last week, which are the best fit for your profile based on your profile and the job description of exactly what's posted. And then the output of this task should be a table that contains the name of the company, the role, the link to the hiring manager, the LinkedIn profile, if any location, and the link to the opening, and then why it's actually a good fit for you. And then guess what? This goes off and this actually completes this task. Again, it's going to ask you a few questions, you answer it, it then logs into your LinkedIn and goes off and does what needs to be done. And you could have this happen every day, you could have this happen every week, and now what you basically just created is an AI recruiter that can go through daily or weekly or monthly, and it will figure out what the best jobs are for you to apply to on LinkedIn. And then once you actually approve these, it will go off and actually apply to these jobs for you. For example, we can see that it's analyzing this right here that was posted 2 days ago. It's remote, there's over 100 applicants, and they're actively reviewing applicants. And then this goes through, gets all the information from it, and now it gives you a reason for, hey, this is why I think you should apply to this. And again, the real power of this is that you can have multiple of these set up. You could have 5 tasks set up, 10 tasks set up, and have all these things running at one time, so you're not wasting your time doing things that AI can actually do for you. And then look at what this actually builds out for you. You could see the company, you could see the role, you could see the location, you could see the hiring manager, and you could see why it's a perfect fit for you. And then like I was saying earlier, you could actually go through and approve it and say, great, I want you to go ahead and apply to these jobs for me. And then guess what? Then you could set up another AI agent that actually combs through email on a daily basis to see if they want to schedule interviews with you. And you can connect that to your calendar, and it will be able to actually communicate with people on your behalf. Or if you pair these 2 agents that I just showed you, this one with the one from before, but instead of using it to find leads for your business, you have it actually go through and find the hiring manager, go to their profile, send a friend request to them, and then shoot them a message and say, hey, I just filled out a job application for this role. Here's why I think it would be a perfect fit. And this could increase the odds that you actually get a response back if you're one of those people that sent out a bunch of different job applications but never heard anything. Now for this next use case, I wanted to show off something a little bit more complex. For example, I'm going to ask this to log into my 11 Labs account, click on the name at the bottom left-hand corner, and then select on Usage Analytics. You see what we're doing here? We're explaining to this exactly what a human would actually do on the computer so that this can learn and go off and do it. Because again, this is powered by the smartest LLMs, the best computer use agent, and then you're able to actually schedule things out, which is just kind of gravy on top of all that. And this is one of the only AI tools that actually allows you to combine all those 3 things together so you can automate work while you sleep. So we could see that this is actually going to go through then, and then it is going to find the credit usage at the workspace level, and it is going to send that for the last 24 hours via email to a specific email. And then what it's going to do is put all of that in an Excel sheet, and we could see at the bottom here that we have this go through and do this every single day at 9 p.m. Pacific. So essentially what this is doing is pulling a report for us from 11 Labs and then sending it to the parties that it needs to be sent to and creating an Excel spreadsheet for it. And again, I don't want you to just think about this for 11 Labs. This can do this with Facebook. This could do this with Shopify. This could do this for your email marketing. Any kind of report that you're currently building out manually, this can now do for you. So as always, it's going to ask a few clarifying questions, you answer them, and then we could see that this is actually spinning this up. It's requesting that we log in here. We log in, and then this has access to our 11 Labs, and we could see that it actually went through and completed this task successfully. It logged into the account, navigated to the usage analytics, selected the workspace tab, extracted real usage data, and then sent it to this specific email, and we could see that it also created this Excel sheet right here. Now I want you to think about this. I have a bunch of people that work for me. I have been trying for years to get them to send me detailed reports like this or to follow instructions like this, and it has led to me banging my head up against my wall or my desk. But guess what? I don't have to do that anymore because now I can spin up these AI agents that can work for me and do exactly what I ask. They don't want vacation time. They don't get sick. They never give up. And most importantly, once you train them correctly and actually give them a good prompt that's step by step, they rarely, if ever, make mistakes. We can also see that this even went through and actually gave us a table format for the email that it sent. It gave us the report date, the timestamp, the account details, the total credit usage, the request completed, and the date period. And again, we could have this go through and pull this across a bunch of different areas of our business. And the last thing I wanted to show off for you is how you can actually get this to post for you on social media. For example, we could ask it to go through and read the last 10 tweets from a specific account and then post similar tweets promoting something. For example, DeepAgent. And what this is going to do is this is going to then scan these X accounts. It's then going to build posts based on those, and it is going to post 2 tweets every day at an interval of 2 hours in the day, which is incredible that it's able to do this. In fact, I would guarantee that a lot of the information that you're seeing on LinkedIn or X is now done like this, because it's not people manually going through and doing it. It's somebody setting up a really good prompt, curating a bunch of really good accounts to watch, and then building things off of that. And I'm sure you've seen this already on X. And this is what it actually looks like when it does this. We could see that this goes through, it analyzes all these, it asks to sign into X, we authorize the app, and then it tells us exactly what it goes off and does. And again, we could set this up as a task so that this happens every single day. And now it's going through and it's actually tweeting things out on behalf of us, in fact, on our account about whatever we want it to based on what it's being curated from. And again, the craziest part about this is that I guarantee you that this is what's happening all across X, all across LinkedIn, and you don't even realize it. That's why you keep seeing the same 10 influencers or 5 influencers talk about the same topic. Not because there are a bunch of humans that are copying each other, but because there are a bunch of bots that do that, and most people have no idea that that's what they're interacting with. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I'd strongly suggest you check out this video right here that walks you through 7 other AI automations that I would strongly suggest you set up if you're a beginner. I'll see you over there.